Hey, I keep forgetting to say like and subscribe, so please like this video and subscribe. That helps other people find my videos. Helps me pay rent, put food on the table, and take care of my family. If you want to watch this whole course, it's a 300-page outline. It's hours and hours of video. It's totally amazing. Go to greatercommons.com, and you will support my work as a teacher. That's the course right there. Thank you very much. Now we're going to see how to do some layout with Flexbox. And we created this layout here with float and inline block and display inline block 2 different ways. All of that code is available at my GitHub repo. Goes to 11 HTML CSS bootcamp 00 temp 45 float 03 float layout. Now we're going to see how to do that with Flex. I'm going to open this up and we're going to create that layout with Flexbox, and we're comparing different ways of doing the same layout. Ha la la la. So we got our header, 200, or like our resets up here, reset browser defaults, and then our header and our footer will have a height and a border, and then our header has a background color, our footer has a background color, and our divs will have a height and a border, and then we have left and right. So we now want to use Flexbox to make all this happen. And I think I'm keeping my heights. Divs automatically grow in widths. And with the body, I might want other things in my body, so I'm just going to create a main. No. I'm going to create main here. So this is one way to do it. And then all of those should just stack. So we have a, let's just recode this. We have a header, border, 10 pixels, solid black. Oh, we'll do blue. We'll put that, and then we have main, border, 10 pixels, solid green. And we have footer, border, 10 pixels, solid red. And those should all be stacked on each other. Let's go look. Okay, no height set on them yet. Set a height on them. Okay. And then if we put some div, my voice just did something funny. Div, what color you want? Black and black. My divs are right there if we give them a height. There are my divs inside, okay? So now I could go to my main, and let me give div left and right different colors. Okay, left and right. Now I could go to main, and I could make this display flex. Flex direction, row. Flex wrap, row wrap. All slammed together because width isn't specified. All right. And so these are now flex items, left and right. So I could specify their width. And I could say this one's 20%. This one's 80%. So we got that left, right, and their height has been specified at 100. So I could just make that 2 to kind of, what happens if I make it 3? It came over that. Isn't that fascinating? It didn't push it down because I specified. So here on my main, I'm going to do no height. My main will just hold that. So that's getting the same layout a couple different ways. So we did that with display inline block, right? We did that with float. Oh my gosh, those are almost the same colors. And then we did it with flex. Slightly different coloring, but same thing. So what ways should you do it? You should do it with flex. You should do it with flex. And the reason is because CSS, can I use? Flex. Flexible box layout model. 97.76, pretty much all browsers except IE11 support Flexbox. And if you look at why this one doesn't work so well, partial support is due to large amount of bugs present, and that's 2.76% of the market. So that's about this, between 97 and 100. So that's everybody can use Flexbox unless you're on Internet Explorer, but then you're probably not intelligent or educated enough to buy anything from whatever you're building, so don't worry about it. Or you're working for the government and you probably can't buy anything anyhow because you're at work. How about that for some stereotypes? So flex is the way you should do it. Float is awkward, janky, not what it's intended for. It's for wrapping text around an image. And display inline block is old school and starts to get limited. And flex has more flexibility, right? So we could change the order of flex items. We can make the items grow and shrink different amounts. So we don't have to do this weird thing like with display inline block where we went like that, right? So that's kind of fascinating, isn't it? Same layout, 3 different ways. All right, so that's going to be your assignment. I want you to build those 3 layouts using inline block, using flex, or using inline block, using float, and using flex. And with float, you got to do clear both. And I'll put this up as an assignment. Okay. Please hit like and subscribe on this video. That helps other people find these videos, helps me pay rent, put food on the table, because teachers are sorely underpaid in our society. And I'm trying to do what became my profession, what my heart called me to, and also make rent. Thank you.